Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform a selfie photo like this to become this one. This kind of the cyborg humanoid, and with the spatial prompt this picture can be transformed into this one. Isn't that interesting and cool, right? How to do that and what prompt we will use. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access the Nano Banana. And if you'd like to access the Nano Banana from the Gemini AI, it is very okay. You can use that. And also I will give you the prompt that I have put in the description box. But today I will use the Nano Banana by accessing it with the Google AI Studio and from my PC to get more spacious view. And after that, you can continue to do the login first with your email, and you can click the get started button here. And after that, you can start to click this plus button to select a picture. For example, I will choose this one until the button is getting yellow that has the same color of the banana. And after that, I will put the prompt over here. And I think this prompt has already, or it can be adjust with yours. And you can put the sentences or the prompt like this. Transform this photo of a person into a realistic humanoid cyborg and keeping the original facial details and likeness. And also add the high-tech robotic armor with the glowing blue circuits. So you need to add the detail of the glowing circuit or the light here. And also mechanical arm with a holographic interface. This is the interface that which means. And also cybernetic eye implant like this guys. Isn't that cool, right? And also the futuristic exoskeleton. I think this is the body and this is the skeleton. And also you can adding the detail like the look of the picture or the output, for example, ultra realistic cinematic style and also sharp details and sci-fi or scientific fiction atmosphere and also realistic lighting. And after that you can continue to click run and you will have the picture like this guys. But maybe that this prompt can be a little bit different with yours. And also please let us know on the comment section how is the result. And this is the another version of this of the output. And if you need the another version, don't worry, you can click this rerun this turn and kindly wait for the another output after the generation process. But basically the result will be like this. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any request, feedback, and if you would like to, let's say, there's the need the revision in this prompt, please let us know on the comment section guys. And if you have any requests and also the recommendation but the AI that can do the same as good as this nano banana, you can you can let us know on the comment section too. And I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.